Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. This musical romantic drama starring Salman Khan and Madhuri Dixit. Andaz Apna Apna. Starring Amir Khan, Salman Khan, Raveena Tandon and Karishma Kapoor. Mohra. A major blockbuster, this action thriller starred Akshay Kumar, Sunil Shetty and Raveena Tandon. Krantivir. This action drama starring Nana Patekar and Dimple Kapadia. Raja Babu, a super hit comedy starring Govinda and Karishma Kapoor. Main Khiladi Tubanari. This action comedy starring Akshay Kumar, Saif Ali Khan and Shilpa Shetty. Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na. This charming coming-of-age film starring Shah Rukh Khan. 1942, a love story. This film starring Anil Kapoor and Manisha Koirala. Ye Dil Lagi. This romantic drama starring Akshay Kumar, Kajol and Saif Ali Khan. Ladla, starring Anil Kapoor, Sridevi and Raveena Tandon. Dilwala, an action romance film starring AJ Devin, Sunil Shetty and Raveena Tandon.